well, this is our view blocker mix. This is a blend of 3 different warm season grasses, and this mix, as the name implies, is all about blocking the view and mainly for our food plot customers trying to set up you know, safe passages for deer, walkways, and just kind of controlling the landscape a little bit. So this is a mix of a forage sorghum, a photoperiod sensitive sorghum sudan, and then Egyptian wheat. So, and as you can see, we're 10 feet tall and going taller. We have 72 days of growth on this plot, and it's not done yet. It's going to keep going taller. It's nice and thick. It does its job. It does as the name intends and implies, is at blocking the view.
Yeah, so this is the NBA center of all of the mixes that we do, because again, the purpose here is not palatability. The purpose is not grazing or haying or anything else. It's just simply, hey, you've got a really nice food plot. You don't want other people to see it. Let's block that off. Let's not let people see it. And also to make the deer feel more protected as well when you're blocking it off from whether it be a road or a path or a crop field. So that's what this is for. I mean, you could make a sorghum maze or something out of it too. All things designed to grow as tall as possible. So if that's what your goal is, this is the one for you.